Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Hello guys, I hope you people are doing good. The first lecture about freelancing. My target is to make at least 50 videos upon freelancing, and my goal is and my aim is just not be specific like what is freelancing and how we can do that, or how people uh, are able to do this. But my goal, my aim is to just to give you the way, the real way how we can earn in reality. Okay, always listen a lot about freelancing, how we can earn online. My aim, my goal is I will pick your hand, or I will give you the real place where you people can earn, where you people can got experience and seek from your knowledge. With the passage of time, the ability, the service that you have, you can do it much possible or much easy way, so you people can earn a lot. What is freelancing? For example, if we can search on simply, if you can watch the images, some people have laptops and they are on the table, they are doing some work by using laptop. Okay, by using PC, by using internet. So freelancing, it means that you are working on your own. You are free of cost. You do not have burden on you for any kind of jobs or for any kind of business. Or you are doing your work in your free time, in your best way, as much as you can. So freelancing nowadays very popular to earn online. There are a lot of famous websites where international clients come and post their requirements. The freelancer send their proposals, place their bids. Then the clients open a new gallery of chat box. They discuss each other. The client hires someone for their work. This is called freelancing. So here you are responsible to give him the project what he wants, and he is the responsible, he or she are the responsible to deliver you the money that you people decide with each other. This is called freelancing. No one involved here, no one uh, able, or no one can disturb you. Only client and you are doing work nicely and freely, openly, as best as you people can manage according to your ability. Now freelancing have different types. Like there are about more than 50 different fields, everyone specific in their field. Okay, for example, someone engineer, he will be specific in engineering field, so he can do freelancing, or he can search the work related to engineering. Others has an artist, so he can uh, search for artistic jobs or artistic bids that clients are searching. This is called the service-based work. The top sites, there are 3 or 4 top sites about freelancing. Number one is Upwork, upwork.com. Okay. From the recent, like the recent details show that the Upwork is the largest site where the clients come most. For example, in just seconds, or in a few seconds, about hundreds of projects have been posted on Upwork on daily basis. because other different short or long term platforms emerge in this Upwork. So this website or this company is got bigger in freelancing projects. Why we need this type of websites for doing freelancing? Because we do not have clients personally. We do not know if someone in, for example, in European countries, he needs some work. Okay, how he can contact with us, and we have the ability to deliver that work. How he can contact us? The answer is simple. We need a platform. We need, for example, Facebook is a platform. We we make our profile there, then we reach and send friend request, accept friend request. So it's a platform. So every work we need a platform. So Upwork is a platform where clients come. We not need any investment. We have our laptop or PC. We have skills. We have degrees, like we have master. We someone have uh, MPhil or PhD or further scholars. They can do simply by their PC from their home. So the other website is fiverr.com. Fiverr.com. It is also a very weak website. You can also check the here on upper side. There is a mention that freelance service market, freelance services marketplace for business. You are free to work from your home. There is an estimate that within few minutes, Fiverr got hundreds of different projects around the world. It is also a very big website. The next is freelancer.com. This is one of the oldest freelancing platform. I'm basically very much interested in this freelancer platform because this is I like their interface. I like their simple and to the point interface. Okay, as compared to Upwork and Fiverr. So these are some of the websites. There are other websites as well. Okay, but these three websites are highly recommended. You just need to make your account there, sign up, just go there, make an account, make your profile, okay, and start doing your own business from your home. That is freelancing. People can earn from their home by using online services like Fiverr, like Upwork, like freelancer.com, or similar websites or similar companies. This is called freelancing. And this freelancing is one of the easy and one of the simple, without any investment. You can earn online without any investment by doing freelancing. I hope this lecture should be clear to all of you. I try my best to explain what is freelancing and how people can earn money online. Inshallah, next second lecture we will focus on how we create our account there. Okay. Then how we set up our profiles, like that we will move like that. Please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. If you people think that you need to learn very much, very closely, there is a link below of my websites, my WhatsApp. You can contact with me. We can have a chat. We can have a live chat with you. Stay safe. Thank you.